Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I am going to teach you one of the most powerful formula of index match. Why it's powerful? Because it solves most of the problems. Uh, in your real life you will get this kind of situation where data will be arranged like this. You will suppose I am having a store name and this is suppose a sales data which is arranged in this way. Now, what's happened that when this data arranged in this way, we are not able to do analysis, use the analysis tool right pivot. We cannot do not have the flexibility. So people will ask you to arrange the data same data in vertical way means in this way. So what you can store will be arranged one after another. So this will help me to analyze the data very quickly. Now, when this type of situation will come, the people will ask to arrange the data from the horizontal to vertical way. How you will do this? We will use here the formula index match. I will teach you how to use this index method. But before learning all this real life example, what I will tell you, what I want is that please subscribe, please share, please comments, please like, and please press the bell button to get the real time update. So let's see how I will use the index match. So I will press index equal to then index. Okay. After this, after pressing tab, I will select the entire data set. I have selected the entire data set, and then I will press comma, and then I will use match. So match. So what is the first? Store name. Then I will select here the range of the store name, then comma 0, and there will be another match for the date. So comma match date, select date, and select the date range. Okay, and then comma 0, comma end of match bracket and end of index bracket. Then I will copy and paste it for the rest of the cells. See, okay. Now validate the data. Suppose Vadra Nafaga store. So I have the data like this. Let's see whether the data for this particular store is arranged like this or not. So let's select Vadra. See, 139, 139, 139, 139, 139, 139, 139. Let's select anything from the middle. Let's Mushabani store, which is stored like this. Let's see. So guys, if you like this video, if you are happy, then again I will say kindly subscribe, kindly comments. It should motivate me a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much.